Hello guys, so in today's video I'm going to show you how to convert an image to video in Canva. If you've ever wanted to bring a still photo to life with motion, Canva's Magic Studio makes it quick and surprisingly fun. This is especially useful for Shopify store owners who want more eye-catching product visuals, hero banners, or social media ads. I'll walk you through the exact flow, explain what each option does, and share a few tips so you get a result you're happy with the first time. First, open Canva and either start a new design or open an existing one that already has the image you want to animate. This could be a product photo, lifestyle image, or promotional graphic. If you're starting fresh, choose a canvas size that fits where you'll use the video later, like a social post, website banner, or a presentation slide, so you don't have to resize it afterward. Once your design is open, click or tap the image you want to animate so it's selected. You'll know it's selected when you see the bounding box handles around it. With the image selected, go to Edit. Under Magic Studio, look for the option called Image to Video. If you don't see it right away, swipe or scroll through the Magic Studio tools until it appears. This is the feature that converts a still image into a short video clip by adding motion, which helps draw attention without needing full video footage. Next, you'll choose a mode. Smart is the fastest way to get a result. It applies default motion automatically based on what the tool detects in your image, so it's great when you want a one-click transformation or you're just testing ideas. If you're after a specific effect, switch to Custom. Here, you can type a short prompt that describes the motion you want, like make it rain, slow camera zoom, or subtle background movement. Keep your prompt simple and focused on a single action or mood. Clear, descriptive phrases tend to work best and give more predictable results. When you're ready, tap Generate to create a 3-second video. Give it a moment to process. You'll see a preview once it's done. This is your chance to quickly evaluate the movement. Does it match your intent? Is it smooth? And does it enhance the original photo rather than distract from it? For store visuals, subtle motion usually performs better than dramatic effects. If you like what you see, tap Add Video to Design. The animated clip will replace or sit on top of your original image in the canvas, ready for you to position and incorporate into your layout. From here, you can add text, buttons, or overlays just like you would with any other Canva video. If the result isn't quite right, simply generate again. You can retry Smart for a different automatic motion, or adjust your custom prompt and run it once more until you land on a look you love. And that's going to wrap it up for this video. If this helped you add motion to your designs, give it a quick like. It really helps the channel and tells me what kind of tutorials you want more of. If you're building or improving a Shopify store and want simple, practical Canva tips you can actually use, be sure to subscribe so you don't miss the next one. If you have questions or want to see a specific Canva or Shopify tutorial, drop it in the comments below. I check them all. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.